Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 2nd to the 14th. For the period for September 2nd to the 6th, much of the activity is forecast to remain across the northern border. The subtropical ridge is forecast to expand across the east. A trough is forecast along the west coast. Temperatures during this period are forecast to be above normal in the east and below normal across the northwest. We're going to look now at the period for September 5th to the 9th. This is a GFS, and all the models are showing expansive area above normal heights from Russia here extending to off the west coast. We have an upper low north of Canada with a trough into the northern Rockies. And we have above normal heights here across eastern North America, and it's generally a flat flow. And here's our subtropical ridge across the southern U.S. We're looking now at the GFS, the GFS ensembles, the European deterministics, the European ensembles, and the Canadian ensembles, all showing this relatively flat flow. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation for this area and above normal precipitation here. Next now is for the period September 10th to the 14th. Here we are at the 10th, September 10th, still a relatively flat flow across the U.S. We still have our area of negative height anomalies here, and our area above normal height anomalies from Russia to off the west coast of Canada. We still have weak positive height anomalies across the east. We're going to go forward in time, and this is the 11th, then we go to the 12th, and the 13th. Here's a subtropical ridge now stationed here across the southeast, and a relatively flat flow here. So that's the GFS ensembles, the European ensembles, and the Canadian ensembles. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here, below normal temperatures across this region. And for precipitation, I'm calling for below normal precipitation for the west coast states and above normal precipitation for most areas east of the Mississippi River. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for September 2nd to the 14th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.